my friends, I'm Polly. This is a guitar lesson on Sublime, What I've Got. This is part of my classic riff series. I do teach full-length lessons as well as DIY builds and studio tips. So if that's something you're into, please give me a follow. The whole song is D, G, D, G. That's it. It's a little tricky because he's picking it, and he's adding some stuff to it. I think he's like picking like he would strum it, and it kind of changes throughout the song. If you wanted to just play the chords, you could, right? It'd be easy to sing along to that. But the beginning, I believe, I've listened to the song 100 times, meaning like at like half speed, and I think this is what he's doing. He's going open on your D, 2 on your G, 3 on your B, back to 2, and I think he pulls off, and then he hits it again. Okay, so make a D shape, and that's all part of it, right? So I'm gonna play a little quicker. Okay, so after that, he does a G. So go 3 on your E, open on your G, 3 on your B, and then open on your G. And I think he adds one more in there. Okay. The main stuff to play would be right, 4 notes per chord. And then the stuff after those 4 notes is where it kind of gets wonky and it changes throughout. Okay, so that's the main stuff to remember. There is the D and the G. Okay, so let's get to the lead. That part. Slide up from 5 to 7 on your D. And then on your G, 5, 7. 6 on your B with a bend. Back to the 7th fret of your G. 5th fret G. Hammer on to the 7th fret on your G. Okay, and then he does this ditty. That is 7 and 7 on your B and G. No, sorry, yeah. 7, then 5 and 5, B and G, and then 4 on your G, 3 on your B. And double tap. Okay. Then this part, that is going to be 11, 12 G, hammer, 10, 12 B, hammer, 10 E. Okay, and then he goes. Okay, so after your 10th fret, 12 on your B, repeat to pull off the 10, 13, 12, 10, and then on your G, it's actually a quick bend and a mute. You bend it on your 12th, and then it goes right back into. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you next Tuesday. Hey friends, it's Polly here. Hey, if you dug that video, you might want to check out some of my other playlists. Studio tips, DIY builds, gear reviews, guitar lessons. Welcome to the family. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple days.